Load your family into the 2017 Nissan Rogue. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.